On this video today, I'm going to show you a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA offers on CPA Grip. This method is very simple, and the best part is that it does not require any skills, it does not require any investment. You can use this method to make money wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you all the details that you need to know about this method. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your CPA Grip accounts. Once you create your CPA Grip accounts, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, click on offer to select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you are going to come right here and then search for the country where you have the traffic source. So in this case, we are going to search for Australia. As you can see, Australia is here. Just click on that. Once you click on that, you can find different offers to promote to make money on CPA Grip. As you can see, a whole lot of different offers that you can promote in Australia to make money. You can see this one right here. The payout is $1.92. You can see another one right here, $1.45. You can see this one right here, get solar generator now. If you promote this offer to people in Australia, they are going to get a generator for free and you are going to earn $1.45. You can see this one right here, enter for a Samsung S22. This offer right here, if you promote it to people in Australia, they are going to get a chance to win Samsung S22 and you are going to be earning $2.05. As I scroll, you can see many offers that you can promote to people in Australia. So you can select as many offers that you want to promote. You can promote 3 of them. It doesn't really matter. What you need to do is last, you have to just get your affiliate link so that you can start promoting this offer. See, I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. Enter for a Samsung S22. And then I'll also be promoting this one. Get a $500 Priceline gift card. So I'm going to be promoting these 2 offers. So to promote the offer, what you need to do is that you have to just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see right here, enter your information now to get started. So once they enter the information that is required, you are going to be earning the payout right here. You can see this offer is only allowed on mobile devices. You can see this offer is only allowed in Australia. So what you have to do is that you have to promote to the people in Australia and they have to complete this offer on a mobile device so that you can be earning the payout. Once you select the offer, the next step is that you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can promote this offer to people in Australia to enter the necessary details for you to earn money. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to promote it for free without paying for anything. So the next step is that we are going to build a landing page so that we can promote the offers on our landing page. We want to promote up to 2 offers, so we have to create a landing page. To create a landing page, you are going to search for site.google.com. This is a website builder that you can use for free to create a website. But what you are going to be doing in this video is that we are going to use it to create a landing page. To start creating your landing page, just come right here, click on blank so that you can begin creating your landing page for free. Once you click on blank, you're going to see a page like this. So the next step is that we are going to begin designing our landing page. So first of all, you are going to give it a title. So right here, you can just type giveaways. As you can see, this is the title of the landing page. The next step is that you are going to give it a name. So just come right here, you can see Untitled site. So you are going to give it a name. Just say free gifts. So something like this, free gifts. Once you have your site name, the next step is that you are going to add an image to the background. So just come right here, click on change image. Once you click on that, you are going to click on select image. Once you click on select image, you are going to see a page like this. You can see these are free images that you can use to build your landing page, but we don't need any of these. So just come right here, click on search so that you can search for free images on Google so that you can use it as your background image. So just search for gift card. Once you search for a gift card, you can see different images that you can use. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different images that you can use. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select one of them. So just select this one right here. Once you click on it, just come right here, click on select so that it will be used as your background image. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to add some text here. So just come right here, click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to paste a text here. So this is where you are going to paste the title of the offer that you are promoting. So we are going to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come on CPA Grip, you are going to copy the title of the offer. So just click Ctrl C. Once that is done, we are going to come back to your landing page and then paste it right here. Once you paste it, you can make it centered. So just come right here, click on more. Once you click on more, we are going to choose the alignment. So choose this one right here. As you can see, that has been done. So it's so small, we can equally increase the font size. So just click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down and then choose the font size that you like. So let's say 30. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have the title of the offer, the next step is that you are going to insert the image of the offer right here. To do that, we are going to go back to CPA group. So just come back. Once you come back on CPA group, you are going to right click on the image and then select save image as. Once you save the image onto your device, the next step is that you are going to upload it right here. So just come right here, click on images. Once you click on that, select upload. Once you select upload, you are going to upload your image. So just click on it, click on open, and it's going to be uploaded right here. As you can see, that has been done. So what we have to do is that we have to increase the size of the image. As you can see, this is the image of the offer. The next step is that you are going to type your call to action right here. So just come right here, click on text box. Once that is done, you are going to type a simple call to action here. As you can see, this is my simple call to action. Click here to claim now. So you are going to insert your affiliate link right here. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPA group so that you can copy your affiliate link. So just come back on CPA group. Once you come back on CPA group, you are going to click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then highlight the text. Just highlight it, click on this particular icon, insert link. Once you click on that, you are going to paste your link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Click on apply, and you can see that the call to action is now linked to our affiliate link. Once that is done, you are also going to insert your affiliate link on this particular image, so that anytime your visitor click on it, they can be directed to the product through your affiliate link. So just click right here, insert link. Once that is done, you are going to paste your link. Once you paste your link, click on apply, and that has been done. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting 2 offers. So you are going to do that for the next offer. The next step is that we are going to add this particular offer. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So just copy the title of the offer right here. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your landing page. The next step is that you are going to come right here, click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to paste the title of the offer right here. As you can see, that has been done. You are going to increase the font size. So just highlight it, come right here, and then increase the font size. Just increase it to 24. Once that is done, you are going to center it. So just click on more, come right here, choose the alignment. You can see this, just choose this one. Once you paste the title of the offer, you are going to insert the image of the offer right here. As you can see, I've added the second offer. As you can see the image of the offer right here, you can see the heading. So let me just scroll down. You can see the call to action right here. So we now have 2 offers on our landing page that our potential visitor can click through and then take the action for us to make money on CPA groups whilst they get the offer for free. You can see this is the landing page. Everything is good, as you can see it. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to publish this landing page so that we can begin promoting it. So just come right here, click on publish so that you can publish the landing page. Once you click on publish, you are going to give a web address, so you can enter any web address that you want. As you can see, free giveaways 2023, that is available. Just come right here, click on publish so that you can publish your landing page. As you can see, your landing page has been successfully published. You can see it right here. Click on view. Once you click on view, you can see this is how your landing page is going to appear to the visitor. You can see everything. This is what your potential visitor is going to see when they click through your link. The next step is that we are going to find a traffic source whereby we can get people from Australia to click through our landing page and then complete the offers for us to make money on CPA group. The next step is that you're going to come on this website, chaosasaustralia.com. This website is a free classified website that you can use to post ads in Australia. You can see right here, free classifieds in Australia. So you can post an ad about anything to people in Australia using this particular website. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to begin promoting our landing page on this website. To post an ad, just come right here, click on post an ad so that you can begin posting your ad onto this platform. Once you click on post an ad, you are going to select a category. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down and then come to community. Once you select community, you are going to select the subcategory. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to come right here, select events. Once that is done, you are going to click on next so that you can post your ad onto this platform. Once you click on next, you are going to select the location. So just click on it. You can select any of these locations in Australia. You can see a whole lot of them. So just select any location that you want. I'm just going to select the first one right here. Once you select the location, the next step is that you are going to enter the title of your ad right here. So just go back to CPA group and copy the title of any of the offers that you are promoting. Once you come back on CPA group, you are going to copy the title of the offer. So just highlight and copy it. Once that is done, you are going to come back to your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the title of your ad, the next step is that you are going to write a simple description telling the people how they can get access to the offer. As you can see, this is my description. You can equally write a description like this, or you can just copy mine and then change some of the words. As you can see, this is it. You can see my call to action right here. Copy and paste the link below into your browser. so that they can get access to the offer. So now what you have to do is that you have to paste a link of your landing page below right here. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to come back to your landing page. Once you're on your landing page, click right here, copy publish site link. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your link. Once you copy your link, you are going to search for this website, bit.ly.com. Once you are on bit.ly.com, you are going to paste your link right here. Once you paste your link right here, just click on shorten so that you can shorten the link. Once you shorten it, just click on copy. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back to your ad and then paste it below right here. So just paste it right here. Once you paste it, you are going to come right here, select free. Once that is done, you are going to come right here and then add a picture of the offer. So just click on it so that you can add images of the offers. So once you click on add a picture, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, choose files. Once you have chosen your images, you are going to come right here, click on upload. As you can see, this is the image of the offer. So the next step is that you are going to scroll down and then add your contact email. Once that is done, you are going to also enter your contact name. Once you enter your contact email and the name, you can enter your phone number right here if you like, but it's not required. If you want, you can add. If you don't want, you have to leave it like that. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, post the ads. Once you post your ad, you're going to see a page like this. You can see right here, your ad has been posted. So your ad is now live on this platform. So anytime you get people to take the action, you are going to be making money on CPA Grip. Apart from this website, you can also post your ad onto another website that equally works like this so that you can get a lot of traffic back to your landing page. Apart from Chaos Ads, you can also use this website, freeads.org. This website, they also allow you to post ads for free. You can choose any country that you want to post your ad to. As I scroll down, you can see many locations that you can post your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. When you come right here, you can see Australia. So you can post your ad to any of these cities in Australia for free. You are not required to pay for anything. So what you have to do is that just come right here, create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts, you are going to click right here, post an ad, so that you can post your ads in any of these cities in Australia. You can see a whole lot of them. So make sure you use both websites so that you can drive a lot of traffic back to your landing page.